Hi guys, it's Nigel. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a deep conditioning video. I've already done my pre-poo, I've done my bentonite clay wash and rinsed it out. So in this one, I'm going to be reviewing the Microwaveable heat cap by Natural Confidence. I like the pattern. It comes in a multitude of colors and designs, and it comes in both large and small. The inside has this toweling material and the pockets that are filled with the flaxseed. So the benefits of this obviously is that you don't have to find yourself seated under a hooded dryer. This allows you to be mobile. You can carry on doing your own things. So I'll be reviewing the effects thereof at the end of the video. Please stay tuned. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks. Warm this baby up. Woo. This is nice and toasty right now. Let's just pop it on. Tighten it, and let's see. So I usually keep my deep conditioning in for 30 to 45 minutes. So let's see how much heat 3 minutes of microwaving gives us. Woo. Okay, so I've kept in the deep conditioner for about an hour. As for the functionality of this, I felt the heat. It was nice and toasty for about 30 minutes. And then for about another 10 to 15 minutes, you could still feel a little bit of the warmth that gradually lost. So I will say probably around the 45-minute mark that the heat actually dissipated, which for me means it's a very good product actually, because even on days where I won't have a lot of time, usually the deep conditioner sits in a maximum of 30 minutes. So I'm very happy with this product. If you guys would like to get yourself some, you can visit Natural Confidence on the Facebook page, and you'll get in touch with the creator, the person that makes these, and you'll be able to put an order through. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, please comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks, bye.